Hello, everyone. It is Trevor Tropics WX here with another video on the Pacific Typhoon season 2025. We have severe tropical storm Bualoi. Warning numbers. So yeah, let's get into this. Severe tropical storm Bualoi, or on what we're looking at right now for the JWP JTWC. It is a tropical storm labeled by them. So, warning number 6, location 10.7 north, 130.1 east. Moving west northwest at 10.3 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds of 63 miles per hour, or 65 miles per hour for short. It is expected to be a 70. Then it goes down to a 60. Yeah, 60. Then 45, about 45 knots. So that's basically about 55. Then it increases back up to 60, back up to 70. We reach our typhoon stage, so about 75, and it goes all the way back down to 5. So that it does pose some threats to Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, China, Hong Kong, or not Hong Kong, but Laos, and Vietnam. So we'll head over to Zoomer for the part. I will. Oh, here we are on Zoom Earth. It has a pressure of 995 with a millibar with a 65 miles per hour. Severe tropical storm at 70 miles per hour. Tropical storm at 60 miles per hour, 50, 60 as well. And then it goes back up to a severe tropical storm with 70 miles per hour. Then it goes up to a typhoon with 75 miles per hour, and then it goes down again because it makes landfall in the Philippines, Vietnam, as a 50-mile-per-hour typhoon. So, if you live in these countries, Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, Myanmar, China, please listen up. I know that this thing is supposed to become a typhoon. Vietnam. I know you've been going through a lot with these typhoons. Surprisingly, we've covered about 3 of them that have actually hit your place or hit your country. This one needs to be taken seriously. So it is expected to be a 75-mile-per-hour typhoon with probably higher wind gusts coming in. So yeah, please take action for that and make sure to take shelter or evacuate immediately from this. It's gonna get very serious. That being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. We'll see you. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.